As you can see by the title, I'm about to show you what the Miracle Sound Lavalier Microphone. These are for the iPhone and smartphones. I think it was like around $10, I believe, at Amazon. So here's the back. And what's included in this little package. See this little package right here? This right here. It includes the microphone with a lapel clip and a 59-inch long cord. That is really long, 59 inches. Wow. It also has a deluxe case and a windscreen. So I'm about to open it up so y'all can see what I have here. Ooh. Easy to open. This is sold at Amazon. So if you want to go and buy one. Okay, looks like everything is in this little pouch here. So this is the pouch that you get, and let's investigate. Oh, here you go. Okay, here's the cord, which is not too long. Okay, and here's the little clip. Wait, let me show. Okay, here's the little clip, which goes on your shirt, and you plug this into the iPhone. Let me see, is there anything else in here? Nothing else. Okay. Well, this includes my review. Well, it's not a review, but my unboxing, or package opening. But anyway, this is it. Let me just undo this for a second. I thought it was longer than this. I don't know. Okay, so this is the length of it. I know it's hard to see, but it's probably as tall as I am. Okay. Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you would like to find you just a little cheap one that works with your iPhone, you can go to Amazon and purchase one. Let me see. And again, it's the Lavalier Miracle. No, it's the Miracle Sound Lavalier Microphone. Thanks for watching, and have a great day today. Bye-bye. With this video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.